Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming both your Hey or Google TV and source device are on the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids discovery issues. Once done, wake the TV and open settings, then display and sound, and select cast to enable receiver mode. On your phone or laptop, open quick settings or the cast option in Chrome. This makes the TV appear. Make sure Bluetooth or location is enabled if required by your device, so discovery is reliable. You now initiate the connection from the source device. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast, then choose your Hey or TV. On a laptop, use Chrome's menu, pick Cast, and select the TV under Available Devices. If you want only one tab, select Source Cast tab to reduce CPU and network load. Once connected, confirm the TV shows your device name. If you see prompts on the TV, accept them immediately to finalize the handshake. You finish by stopping cast when done. Use quick settings on mobile or Chrome's cast stop on desktop. If playback lags or stutters, lower app video quality or move your router closer to devices. This reduces packet loss. If the TV doesn't appear, restart both the Hey or Google TV and the source device and double-check they are on the same SSID. This resolves most discovery issues. As a final tip, reboot the router if multiple devices still can't see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.